What's up everyone, this is Marcus at TradeSmith and I'm going to show you a new program that I joined called Warrior Trading Pro, and that is a program that I am in, been doing for 6 weeks, and I'm going to show you exactly what I plan to do with this small account challenge. So today I hit another red day today, end up trading in the small cap market. Of course, the large caps has been doing really good. S&P has been in new record highs, but for some reason, a lot of the small caps seem to be easy to borrow. So that introduced a lot of short selling today, which was unexpected, even at pivotal moments where stocks were gapping up, as well as halting up, as well as hitting some of those breakout points. You notice that things did not resolve. Now, because my trade plan is more on a long bias, I am sticking to that trade plan, and no more than 4 trades. But again, today I only did 2 trades and I lost them both on the same stock, on VIVE, which had a really good catalyst and it really popped up. But there were some gappers. You had SGLB, you had VIVE, but SGLB was the primary and everyone was watching that. And of course, once it hit around the VWAP, it just began to tank. Around that time, I did notice that while other stocks were not resolving, you had some good motion here where you had VIVE gapping up, and that is where I was getting in. And of course, you start seeing that once I got in after this halt, and I was thinking on this candle that was making a new high, I wanted to get in, and then of course it flushed down. Probably shouldn't have bought something that extended from the VWAP, but it was definitely looking like it may go parabolic, so I wanted to get in on that move. Definitely a riskier trade. Looked at my trade plan again, remind myself that only wanted to trade the 5-minute candles that make a new high. And of course, the second trade was along some of these areas. So I'll go through them and then show it to you. But I definitely want to let you know what happened today. Okay, you can see here, this is where I wanted to get into a stock that was coming out of halt, hoping that it may go up to 150. So I got in at 139. It was 700 shares and was looking for it to shoot up, but then I noticed that it began to drop very quick. But that was the first trade. Again, that I really realized that this is not in my trade plan. Again, these are stocks that you see that could be possibly parabolic, but I did not stick to that trade plan. And you can see even when I hit, it went from $86 to $115 negative in the red in a split second. So definitely, and I sold on the axe, so it could have been a lot larger. So I did get out, but definitely want to not trade those type of stocks going into halts or coming out of halts yet. Still need some practice to go in order to be successful there. Okay, here's the setup for the second trade of the day. I'm looking forward to cross over at least 125. Got in at 121, thinking that it will possibly break and maybe even go up to 130, 140 to test this high a day, but it seemed like it was not making a move. If it was, I did have a really good risk reward ratio there, but I should have got out right there when I saw that that is a false breakout, but did not get out. But I got out just maybe 2 seconds after that. And of course, now that I'm at my daily limit as far as a loss, I'm gonna stop right there. And even though I'm seeing stocks still move, I noticed that a lot of them have this easy to borrow, and whenever you see the easy to borrow, you're gonna have a lot of short sellers that are in there. So when something doesn't resolve as quick, you just want to get out of there as soon as possible. So that's it for the day. Definitely happy to stick to the trade plan. Definitely happy to get into at least a couple of trades this week. Then I've been really focused on swing trading and options trading this week, but still working at my day trading account, wanting to really improve there. If you have any ideas of what I can do to improve during this August, where you have just, a struggling short small cap market, please give me some ideas, give me some suggestions. Also, I'll be doing some reviews on some of the tools that I'm using to do day trading. But if you have any suggestions, please let me know. This is a new channel. For more tips and tricks on trading technology, hit the like button and go to tradesmith.io.